Hello everybody. As part of our hackathon, we have worked on an integration with a tool called Hotjar. It's an analytical tool that gives you better perspectives, feedbacks, and analysis in terms of qualitative data using heatmaps, session recordings, and surveys. We have built a dummy website on React and deployed it on Heroku. With Hotjar, you can create a customized feedback widget and get live customer feedback for a proper analysis of user website navigating experience. Here's an example of how this feedback would be viewed on the actual website. User can click on any of the emotes and choose to provide a short feedback. Also, using the widget, you could ask the user for their email ID for follow-ups. You can also view live recordings of user actions on the website. Their behavior can be tracked with a report on session info and actions. You can share the recordings with your teammates or with anyone with the link. You can also create surveys and view their responses. Another cool feature of Hotjar is Heatmaps. A heat map provides you with an immediate visualization of user actions happening on your website. It tells you which places have been accessed the most with the aid of a two-dimensional representation of data based on colors. Hotjar gives you visuals based on clicks, moves, and scrolls. With the help of user scrolling behavior, we can analyze what important information is being skipped. You can download these heat maps at any point in the form of JPG or CSV format. At any point of time, the feedback can be viewed and generated as a report based on countless filters that Hotjar provides. All of the snippets of the reports can be directly accessed from one place on the dashboard. That's all from this presentation. Hope you enjoyed it.